Hey Adam, it's Shaelee with Midtown Marketing. I have your website pulled up here so that we can go over your online presence. And looking through your website, you have a great looking site here. One thing that I would recommend would be to have some more content on your home page. The reason is Google has crawlers and they are crawling the internet 24/7. So they are seeing what content you have here, what your photos are saved as, and they're looking for keywords. And so you want at least 1,500 words on your home page to be considered an authority with Google. And then you want those keywords embedded throughout. And one example of a keyword is Corpus Christi Construction. And so when your customers are searching for this, the first thing that's popping up this is the Google Map Pack section. And 30 to 40% of business goes into this Google Map Pack section here. So you do want to be ranking in the top 3 because the top 3 get a lot of that 30 to 40%. And the way that you outrank these other businesses here is you would have a Google business profile that has more citations, which is your business name, phone number, and address, and other places like Yelp. And then you want to have a good amount of geotagged photos and 5-star reviews. And if we scroll down here, this is the organic listing. And so the remainder of that 60 to 70% of business goes into this organic listing here. And this is where your website would be ranking. And you want to be on this first page because 90% of people will stay on the first page. So let's take a look at this #1 ranking website. TLC Construction. If we go through their site here, they have some good call to action buttons. It'd be really easy to outdo them in the content department. So let's take a look at the back end of each site. So I have TLC plugged into Ahrefs. We're going to look at some ratings pulled from Google data. UR and DR, these ratings just show the trustworthiness and the authority of a site. And they have 3 and 5. And what's making up their ratings here are the 223 backlinks that they have. And these backlinks are coming from 37 referring domains. And what a backlink is it is one website linking to another. And it's important to know that there are high quality backlinks that will boost these numbers, and there are spammy ones that will bring them down. So you do want to be intentional whenever you're picking backlinks. And TLC has 75 keywords on their website. And so let's take a look at yours. Right now, you have 0 and not enough data here. So usually it's either just 0 or you're indexing some. And it's showing that there's 1 keyword on here. And so you want to boost these numbers here. The way that you do that would be to have those high quality backlinks. And then you do want more buyer intent keywords on your website. And so one way to get more high quality backlinks is called the copycat method. You would go into these backlinks here that TLC has, and then you would link them to your website as well. Because if it's working for them, it would work for you. And then let's take a look at some of their keywords. Corpus Christi Construction, 70 people are searching for this every single month. Contractors 150, 200, 150, 150, 100, and this list just keeps going. And so in order for you to get some of this traffic for yourself, you would want that Google Business Profile ranking, so add more citations there. And then you would want your website ranking for all the buyer intent keywords that apply to you. And so add more content, more keywords, and then more high quality backlinks to your site. And I hope that this video was valuable for you. I would love to have your feedback on it. So if you'll give me a call and letting me know if it was helpful or not, and I will let you know the joke of the day. Thank you for watching.